Good morning, dear children. Today I don't have any quotation. Yesterday was World Environment Day, and all of you, I think, aware of it. For a better tomorrow, plant more trees and make this planet a better place to live in. This time has come when we should do it in our life. During this lockdown period, you all are at home. You can plant a small tree at your home to celebrate this World Environment Day. Okay, with this, we'll start our lesson. Previous class, we have studied about frame attribute. So, today we'll read about rules attribute of a table tag. See, frame was used for the outside border of the table, and the rules is used to display the inside border of the table. The rules attribute like frame also works with the border attribute, except rules deals with their inside border edges, while frame works with the deals with the outside borders of the table, and rules deals with the inside border edges of the table. So what are the values that can be used with the rules attribute? All displays all borders, calls displays borders between cells, groups displays border between all cell groups, none hides all interior borders, rows displays border between rows only. So how the table will look? Use calls value with the rule attribute. If you will use rules is equal to calls, just like you are writing frame is equal to LHS, frame is equal to RHS, frame is equal to H sides. Like that, we will use rules attribute with calls value. And if we write rules is equal to calls, you will find your table like this way. Means columns will be there, but no row border will be there. Inside row border will not be there. Similarly, see, this is the column border, but there is no row borders are present inside the table. But if you use of rows value, means you will write rules is equal to rows. You will find rows will be there, but there will be no line for the columns. There will be no lines for columns, but there will be lines for your rows. Similarly, if you use non-value, so neither you will find your row border nor you will find your column border. You will find only the data inside the table and no border will be there. And use of groups value with the rule attribute. Actually, this groups value displays border between all cell groups. Actually, this I will tell you later on, because these cell groups, to divide it is cell groups, actually it will be used with the table will be divided into three parts. That means every table has three parts, three components you can tell. One is your T head, T body and T foot. First row of the table is known as your T head. Rest of the table part is known as your table body, and the last row is known as your table foot. And this groups attribute to groups value with the rules attribute will make it a group. Means it will group one group to T head, one group to T body, and one group to T foot, and then it will apply the groups feature to the table. Okay, so when I will teach you T head, T body and T foot how to apply, then again I will teach you this groups, how you will use this groups value with your rules attribute. Okay, but just you know today that it will make it groups. Cell groups means it will divide the table into three parts. One is your T head, T body and T foot, and then it will apply the groups to all these three parts. Okay, so now come back to our notepad and see. Suppose I have already made the table for you. So it's a simple table I have made using simple table. So now we'll use in this table the rules attribute with and all its values. Okay, so let us see how the table is looking. So this is a simple table. See, all the borders are there. Inside border, outside border, all the things are present. Now we will go and apply one by one rules attribute and with its values. Suppose you are writing here rules is equal to calls. If you write rules is equal to calls, save it and then see the output. What is happening to the output? Now see. Only columns are there, column means column border is there, no row borders are there, because we have used here rules is equal to calls. Similarly, if we use here instead of rules is equal to calls, if we write here rules is equal to rows, save it and see the output. Now see, all the horizontal lines means rows are present but no column lines are there, because we have used here rules is equal to rows. Similarly, if we will use here rules is equal to all, you will find here that all the borders are there, means horizontal lines are there and vertical lines are also there. So rules is equal to all means all borders it will show you, all internal borders it will show you. And if you will write here rules is equal to none, N-O-N-E, none, then you will find no border will be present in the table. That means say neither you will get your horizontal border nor your vertical borders. So these four attributes, rules is equal to none, no border will be present, rules is equal to all the internal borders of the table means horizontal lines and vertical lines all will be present. And if you will write rules is equal to rows, then only the horizontal lines will be present, no vertical line will present. And if you will write rules is equal to calls, then vertical lines will be present, no horizontal line will be there. Okay, and rules is equal to groups, how it will make a group and it will apply. Then when will they read about T head, T foot and T body, then divide the table into different sections, then I will tell you how the rules is equal to groups attribute will be, groups value will be used along with the rules attribute. Okay, so for today this much. Some of you have asked doubt in campus care that assignment I had sent in the previous class that you were not able to do. So actually those assignments are from your book only, from your exercise. So I have solved that and send it to you. Please note down it in your copy. And next class we'll read about T head, T foot and T body and other attributes of the TD tag and TR tag. Okay, thank you all, and note everything in your copy. Whatever doubt you send me through the campus care. Okay, very good. Some of you are sending also. So I think everybody, I expect everybody see the video, do the homework. If you have laptop or computer at home, you try these codings and see your output. You will enjoy it very much, because you all are always showing very much interest. Take us to computer lab. And since there is no lab facility now, you can use it at your home and you can enjoy it. And those who have not laptop or computer, don't be panic. You try to understand through the video, because I am showing and doing as I used to show you in the lab. So you go through the video and note down everything in your copy. Okay, thank you all, and wish you a good day. Okay, bye.